starting to turn around is going to be, again, American Express. I mentioned a little bit too early up through that 90. This was like March 13th. And again, it was just too early. The one main mistake for me looking at a lot of these charts was, again, during that time, the big thing was looking at that retest of the 2018 lows in the SPY. My mistake was expecting it to be, a perfect retest and bounce off that, when usually on the way down you get those shakeout moves, and that was my mistake. So I had to sit through some pain, but now it's, again, starting to consolidate, and now we're starting to get our entry where I can start to add in up through 96, and then again look to add through 90, and then eventually up through 100 in time for that move back to 140. And I would expect this to take, probably at least the better part of a year, but that's, kind of the plan for a name like American Express.
So credit card companies aren't forgiving credit card interest, are they?
No, why would they?